Will that 2-meter fishing rod fit inside the box? You can't just look at the length or the width, you need the true diagonal distance from one bottom corner to the opposite top corner. We all know Pythagoras' theorem for a flat triangle, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This helps you find the diagonal across the floor of a room, a simple 2D line. But that line is just the first step. Imagine that floor diagonal is now the base of a new vertical triangle. Its other side is the height of the box. The hypotenuse of this triangle is the magic number, the longest possible line through the space inside. The shortcut formula is elegant. The diagonal squared equals length squared plus width squared plus height squared. You just square all three dimensions, add them up, and take the square root. This solves the classic exam problem. Can this object fit in that container? Even if an object is longer than the box's length, width, and height, it might still fit diagonally. But the math is unforgiving. A 100-centimeter umbrella will not fit in a suitcase with a maximum diagonal of 99 centimeters. It's a game of millimeters. And this isn't just for boxes. The same logic hides inside other shapes. In a cone, the radius, vertical height, and slant height form a perfect right-angled triangle. In a pyramid, the vertical height and the slant height do the same. The right triangle is always there if you know where to look. This ancient idea is more modern than you think. When your phone uses GPS, it's calculating its distance to multiple satellites in three-dimensional space, using this exact logic to pinpoint your location. So, from packing a van to navigating the planet, Pythagoras in 3D is the hidden tool that measures our world.